YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. Today's video we're going to go over some stock news, some crypto news, some gains I had in the stocks and crypto space. We're going to look at 20 stocks I sold. I also have 3 great growth stock picks for you guys, as well as 3 index fund picks as well. If you would like to know exactly what this channel is about and what I do here, hit the link in the description. Also, while you're down there, hit those affiliate links. Go ahead and get yourself some free stock and free money. If you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell. I really appreciate it. So let's dive right into it. As you can see here, I got a dividend payout from Low, which is lows of 7 cents in the Robinhood account. We got GPI, who announced quarterly earnings of $5.66 per share. BAX announced 80 cents per share. BNY at $1.46 per share, and then we got Merrick at $1.32 per share. We got BLL earnings at 81 cents per share. APD is $2.12 per share. We got earnings previews for Thursdays. We got Snap, Peloton, Pinterest is expected to grow 173.1% in EPS. We got Air Products and Chemicals, who missed EPS by 3.37%. I made a withdrawal out of the Cash App account of $64.98. I purchased $1 worth of Campbell's soup in the stash account. That came from me selling out of selling 34.01 of Campbell's soup in the Cash App. So my profit was $1. So I went ahead and put that profit in the stash. Then we purchased $1 of Loves, which is Southwest Airlines. That came from me selling 35.27 worth out of the Cash App. Profit was $1 in that swing trade, so I buried it in the Stash App. We went ahead and sold $36 of Lyft. The gains were pretty significant on this trade. I did leave those gains in the Cash App to ride out long term on the house. Then we went ahead and purchased $1.76 of Mara, ticker MARA, which is a Bitcoin mining company. That came from me selling 1.84 shares in the Fidelity account. My profit was $1.76 on this trade. I went ahead and invested that into the Stash account. Then we purchased $3.17 of Open Door in the Stash account. That came from me selling 1.64 shares of Open Door in the Fidelity account. So I took those profits and invested on them in Stash. Then we sold 1.55 shares of ticker JDIV, which is a JP Morgan U.S. dividend fund. I did make a profit on this trade, but in Robinhood you cannot buy fractional shares of this particular index, so I just went ahead and sold out all of it and collected my profits and my gains. Then we went ahead and made a withdrawal out of the Fidelity account of out of the Ameritrade account of $161.28. We sold SoFi, ticker SFYF. We sold 47.47 out of the public account. This one I also did make a profit, but similar to FDIV, I'm not able to buy fractional shares in Robinhood, so I went ahead and just sold out of the entire position and went ahead and collected my profits and gains. Then we purchased $1 of Stag Industrial in the public account. That came from me selling a share out of the moomoo account at a strike price of about $30.97. So I did make $1 profit off that trade. Then we went ahead and sold ticker HDMV. Did not make a profit off this swing trade. Took a small loss of $1 or $2. Same thing with AMCA. Also took a very small loss in this trade. Then we went ahead and purchased $1 of ticker SNPE in Robinhood. That was profits I got from selling a share out of moomoo. Then we sold GDX, a gold miners ETF. Just a gold miners stock. We didn't make a profit. We lost about $2 or $3 in this trade, as gold hasn't performed well over the last 40 days or so. Then we sold a share of Pfizer. Also took a couple $1 loss on this trade as well. EWZ, we lost about 60 cents or so. Then we went ahead and purchased $2 of LTC Properties. That was the profits I had from selling a share of LTC in the moomoo account. Then we made a $2 purchase of Altria Group, ticker MO. That was the profits I had from selling 1 share out of the moomoo account. Then we went ahead and withdrew $103.04 out of moomoo. Then we purchased $11.67 worth of Twitter in the stash account. That was profits I had from selling 1.31 shares of Twitter out of the Charles Schwab account. So that was the nice little gain there of $11.67. So just stored that in stash, and you know, that's you know, basically free fractional shares that I can let ride out for the long term. Then we sold international paper. We did lose a few cents on this trade. We sold Comcast. We lost a dollar, maybe a little bit less on this trade as well. We purchased $7.02 of Intel in the Cash App. That was from me selling 1.27 shares out of the Charles Schwab account. So the profit on this swing trade was $7.02. Then we went ahead and withdrew $131 out of Charles Schwab. And these are basically notifications from Charles Schwab. We got earnings call for Merrick, ICE, and Philip Morris. Philip Morris did $1.26 per share. BAX, IAC, HSY, all with earning calls. Ralph Lauren had $1.67 per share. LSPD had a -6 cents per share. We got Aflac's earning calls. ALXN had $2.96 per share. Yum had $1.15 per share. CMI had $3.36 per share. ICE had $1.13 per share. And then we got AXTA with earnings calls. We just got some notifications here. Public receiving you know, investments, and then we got withdrawals from Charles Schwab and Webull. MET got earning calls coming up. We got Nokia Q4 2020 earnings conference call. Nokia profits beats, but sees challenging 2021. We got an order to sell Mara out of the Fidelity account. We sold $33.86 of Campbell Soup out of the Cash App. We sold $35.39 of Southwest Airlines out of Cash App. We invested in ticker MO in the public account. We invested in Stag in public, LTC in public. We invested in, we sold SoFi out of the public account. We got Robinhood withdrawals, trade confirmations of Fidelity. We bought 702 of Intel in Cash App. Confirmed orders in Robinhood. We sold $35.39 of Loves in Cash App. We bought 702 of Intel in Cash App. Sold $33.86 of Campbell Soup in Cash App. Order was executed in Robinhood. Transfer complete in Robinhood. We sold 1 share of Pfizer at $34.82 in the Webull account. We sold 1 share of HDMV in the Webull account. Sold 1 share of ticker MO at $42 in the Webull account. We sold 1 share of GDX around $33 in the Webull account. We got more orders executed in Robinhood. Once again, Campbell Soup $33.86. We sold LTC at $39.87 in the Webull account. LTC at $39.87. We sold EWZ around $36. Sold Stag at around $31, all in the Webull account. We sold AMCA in the Webull account as well. We bought MO at $2 in the public account. We bought $1 Stag, $2 at LTC. We sold 1.56 shares of SoFi out of the public account. Transfers in Robinhood. Sold $36 of Lyft out of the Cash App. Transfer complete of $10 in Robinhood. We got that 7-cent dividend from Lowe's. SMPE purchased $1 worth. Transferred $4 into Robinhood. We got Yums with earning calls. We transferred $163.66 out of Robinhood. Sold $36 worth of Lyft. We got Allstate with the earnings call. We sold 1 share of SNPE out of Webull at around $33. We got ARK invest updates. They long Spotify. They trim Roku. We got American Company missing EPS by 4.93%. This here is the Cash App account valued at $2,438.96. As you can see, all time I am up $751.94. Total unrealized and realized gain combined of 15.91%. Then we got the public account valued at $2,200.95. Over the past 6 months, we are up $558.96. Total percent gain of 34.04%. I have $1,997.07 invested in stocks. We got a cash balance or buying power of $214.10. We got SNA with earnings call, T-Mobile with earnings call, MAA with earnings call, as well as OHAI. We got GPI earning call. We got FTNT, ESS, all earning calls. We got Market Watch here. Dogecoin surges after one word Elon Musk tweet. If you got $2,000, here are 3 tops, growth stops to buy in February. We got Dermerk, ticker DMTK. We got Fiverr, ticker FVRR. And we got Social Capital Holdings, ticker IPOE. Then we got some news from Investor Place. We got Bitcoin is buy as it's heading for new highs soon. We got 3 high yield dividend stocks scoring street upgrades. Regency Centers Corporation, ticker REG, ticker VNO. We got Chevron, ticker CVX. Such token, much wow. BetMEX launches Dogecoin contracts. We got 3 index funds I predict will beat the market in 2021. We got Vanguard Real Estate ETF, VNQ. We got Shares Russell 2000 ETF, ticker IWM. And we got Financial Select Sector Spider ETF, ticker XLF. Then we got some news from Cointelegraph. Bitcoin will likely reach $60,000 in 2021, says investing.com analyst. After GameStop, the rise of Dogecoin shows us how memes can move markets. We got more trade executed from Charles Schwab. 1 share of Comcast at $50.37. We got 1 share of Twitter at $55. We sold 0.24 shares of Comcast and 0.31 shares of Twitter. We got Intel sold in Charles Schwab at $57.60. 0.20% of a share of International Paper sold at $48.09. We got 0.27 shares of Intel sold. We got a transfer of $280.01 out of Fidelity. Just trade notifications from Charles Schwab. The year of the SPAC stream. Stream Energy is an IA-driven storage solutions, so you guys can check that out. We got earnings coming up. We got Omega Healthcare Q4 earnings tomorrow at 8 a.m. We got Wynn Resorts, Philip Morris, CMI earnings calls. We got voting on Slack, and we got Penn Gaming with earning calls as well. That'll pretty much sum up the video for today. So that'll be the 20 positions I sold out of, some crypto news for you guys, some nice stock picks as well. If you like the video, hit the like button. I'd really appreciate that. Subscribe, hit that bell for more content of the same. I'll catch you guys in the next one.